Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis, you guys. So this episode starts off with the ladies. They just came out of the swimming pool. Umam V, Uwenzeni, Uneli, Bueno Sibongile, guys. They coming out of the pool there. They are dressed in their swimwear. Hayibo guys, kwaze wamnandi wadlamini uphetheni engekho. Hayibo umuntu uzenzela umathanda nje. Anyway, so they're coming from the pool laphayana. Umam Vige, she's like, yazi mina Neli, into engiyifundile ngokubhukuda iyodwa nje ukusingisa impilo yami. Lezi ezinye zokuthi uyahlala emanzini ingathi ungufishi, hayi, they are not for me. UNelly's like, abuseyaqalile ke umam V. Uwenzeni like, kodwa wenze kahle mam V, yazi ngiyazithenya ngawe. Then uNelly's like, mina ngi-enjoyile, shame angifuni nongasho bokumnandi. Then if all the rest of the other ladies, they like, yeah, bokumnandi emanzini in. Sibongile is like, kodwa bekumnandi ngempela, mina ke sengibonga wena wenzeni ngoba nje I had no intentions of swimming. Uwenzeni is like, shuti-ke asiphindeni futhi kusasa ekuseni, let's meet at the pool again. Umam V is like, unjalo phela wena uyayibaxa-ke wenzeni. Ucabanga ukuthi thina mele sivuke ekuseni just for ipool. So as they busy laughing, speaking like that, Ukwenzo comes down the stairs, and Ukwenzo then says, Sanibonani ladies. And then everyone greets, they're like, yeah, Ukwenzo. Umam V is like, yeah, Kehla. Uwenzeni goes on to say, ukuthi hayi Ukwenzo bengisaqala ukuthi usihambele lana sifuna ukugqoka. Ukwenzo's like, hawu kahle ngoba ngithi living room njena lena, like why should I leave? Usis Mavis is like, yazi Ukwenzo uqinisile Nele, asambe siyoshintsha khona sizoqalisa-ke ukusebenza. Wenzeni is like, asambe Sibongile siyoshintsha ekamereni lami. Ukwenzo's like, whoa, cha sisi, stops uSibongile is like, cha sisi. Then Uwenzeni is like, kodwa Ukwenzo. Ukwenzo's like, phela wena you had Sibongile all to yourself last night. Njengamanje isikhathi sami to spend with her. And then Wednesday's like, okay, kulungile kodwa-ke. Anyway, last night we stayed up late, sapon nje, it was a whole lot of fun. And then uSibongile is like, kodwa wenzeni, and then they laugh, Wenzeni walks off. So anyway, uSibongile then says to Wenzeni ngizobona wewe. Then Wenzeni is like, oh, okay, all right. She looks at Ukwenzo, she's like, sawubona. That's up, guys, she's in a somewhere. Cleavage there is out and all of that. Then Ukwenzo's like, yeah. And then he takes her hand, he holds her hand. He's like, wena, angeke ngixolele ukuthi ngeke ngixolele ngale ndaba yayizolo. You made me sleep ngedwa. And then uSibongile is like, hayibo phela Wenzo, like asikwazi ukulala ndawonye singashadile. Ukwenzo is like, ngiyakwazi lokho kodwa wena uze la ekhaya uzobona bani. So uSibongile is busy giggling there. She's like, ngize kuwe kodwa lokho phela awusho ukuthi mele senze izinto that we shouldn't be doing. Ukwenzo's like, oh, okay, ngiyakuzwa-ke. So like uzongiphani, that will make my day. uSibongile is like, Gaibo, like yini lokho, like what are you speaking about? And then Ukwenzo then kisses her, and then you can see she's a bit shy because guys, I'm just looking at everything. I'm like, so anyway, she gets shy because that is not her house. She's like, and then they both laugh. Ukwenzo's like, how yini? And then she's like, okay, and then they kiss again, and then uSibongile is like, suka ngihambe. And then you can see Ukwenzo doesn't want to go, and she's like, suka. Next scene we see uVusi and Utrina in bed. It looks like they were still in the Dlamini household. Yesterday Utrina did say that she is willing to move back in, so I guess that's that. So uVusi is like, yazi sithandwa sami ngiyabonga. Ngiyazi ukuthi you tried your best ukuthi ulungise izinto phakathi kwakho nomama. Then Utrina's like, yeah, kusendlini yakhe, umuzi wakhe, so nami ke bengana choice. uVusi then says, hayi sithandwa sami ayikho leyo nto. Mina nje ngiyazi ukuthi yonke lento beyingekho lula for wena, so ngalokho ngiyabonga. And Utrina then says to him ukuthi, iyabona ke ukuthi ngingenza noma yini for you. Like imagine I stood and I stuck in a situation where your mother was ill-treating me. So I've proven myself ukuthi I'll do anything for you. And then Uvusi's like, ngempela. And then Uklina's like, yeah, like ngempela. Then she giggles. Then Uklina goes on to say, ukuthi siselapho ke bengicabanga ukuthi it's time for us ukuthi siziqalele start building our empire. Uvusi's like, okay, kanjani? Then Uklina says ukuthi angisiboni mina isidingo to return eSibalukhulu Holdings nganonyaka ozayo. I mean, sine-experience enough for us to start ibhizinesi lethu. Uvusi's like, yeah, mhlawumbe uqinisile yazi. She goes on to say ukuthi so ngicabanga ukuthi mesiqala lo nyaka omusha nje, we should put all our eggs in one basket and hit the ground running. Uvusi's like, yeah. And then she goes on to say ukuthi so that we can finally pursue all of our dreams. Then Uvusi says ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi umqondo omuhle lowo, kanti-ke, like, I find you so sexy when you get serious like that. And then she's like, oh, ngempela, like giggling. And then they go back to whatever deed they were doing. Guys, one thing I do want to say, even though there's a lot of negative things Uklina did and we didn't like about, one thing Ukel knows how to do is to keep her man motivated when it comes to business. I truly think Uvusi has the capability, and listen, this advice that Uklina is giving him, I think it's one of the best advices I've ever heard her give him, because I think Uvusi got good experience to start his own business, you guys. So listen, I truly do hope they're not going to be in his way and that he's going to start into yakhe, because clearly, I don't see them working together, because unjengaye guys uzifunela ukwenza wakhe phambili. Anyway, next scene we see Uvuma ke, he's in the kitchen ukwakhe, he's writing something, angazi ukuthi wenza stock taking or book taking, whatever they call it, guys. But anyway, he's writing something on a book. Then uSangweni angene, uSangweni is like, baba. Then Uvuma's like, hi bo, yini uyangiphazamisa man, yini. Usangweni then goes on to say, baba, nginendaba ezimnandi, baba, like trying to get his attention. Unokuzana Uvuma's like, ngiyabhala lana Sangweni, ngiyabhala. Usangweni is like, zibuyile zila ngaphandle. Uvuma's like, ini. Usangweni is like, iy'nkomo baba zila ngaphandle zonke. Ayibo, Uvuma has attention at this point. Obviously, iy'nkomo zakhe bekazikhalela. He's like, uthini kumina? Usangweni is like, zonke iy'nkomo zala kwaMbambo zila ngaphandle. Yo, Uvuma so happy. He's like, zilethe ubani? Usangweni is like, kade ziqhusha abanye abafana nje bathi bathunywe ubaba uNtombela. Yo, Uvuma so happy. Then he's like, ow, oh Makeza, amadoda, bengazi ukuthi amadoda ngeke aphumule iy'nkomo zabo being in espayeni esinye, bazibuyisile. Shuthi-ke manje fanele sihlanganise intelezi siyohlambulula isibaya. Yezwa-ke Sangweni. Usangweni responds and he says, yebo baba. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi ngiqala izinto lana ungithathele nento yami yokuhlonipha nje. Nibo. Shame, was so happy. So Sangweni goes away. He's going to fetch, I guess, iblazer for ubaba wakhe enzela azogqoka, like angithi ngesintu yayo. Anyway, you get it, guys. So Velephi, she's in the kitchen. She's like, ayibo sibonga ukuthi uSamke she did into right. Then Uvuma's like, how? Uthini manje ngani yami? Uvelephi is like, hayi baba, engikushoyo ukuthi kahle hle ngabe yimina engibongwayo lana. Phela ngihambile mina and I confronted uSamke. Ngimqondile nje ngamtshela indaba zakhe, futhi-ke I made it clear that she won't walk all over us nje kanjalo. Uvuma's like, how? Hayi usebenzile ndodakazi. Hayi, the outcomes speak for themselves. Hayi siyabonga. And then he notices ukuthi Sangweni is taking his own time. He's like, hayi bo Sangweni. Uvelephi goes on to say ukuthi, hayi baba, yabona lo nyaka lo uzoba unyaka omuhle kakhulu. Ngifuna nje ukuthi nizilungiselele for uvelephi omusha. Uvelephi nje like ozozimisela kakhulu ngempilo yakhe. Then Uvuma's like, aze amnandi la mazwi owashoyo kimi mntanami. Ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi ungithembise Velephi ukuthi nonyaka ozayo lo Velephi omusha omshoyo, she won't make decisions that will put her in jeopardy. Uvelephi is like, yebo baba. Then uSangweni walks in, is like, nayi jacket yakho baba. And then Uvuma's like, oh. Then he takes the jacket or the blazer, he puts it on, he's like, hayi ke, asehleni ke manje. Siye esibayeni siyohlambulula isibaya before we put back imbasa zoteneza endaweni yayo. Yeah, ke. Shame guys, he was so happy. Hayi-ke, next scene hayibo, we see uMam V, uThuli benoNelly. They are having a conversation, except uThulisile, she's in her funeral attire. Kusho ukuthi phela uyosupporta lo mngani wakhe. And Muhleni, guys, she's wearing a tight dress there, iduku lakhe there in all black. So uNelly says to her, yo, yazi wazi wami muhle-ke. Hayi, kusho ukuthi u-ready for usuku la namhlanje-ke. Then uThulisile is like, thanks. Oh, kodwa-ke ngenze sure ukuthi ngine-backup plan. Ngenze sure ukuthi if awukhaleki ngivule lento-ke, there's something that she's carrying, angazi ukuthi yini. She's like, ngizovula lento ngithi nje la emehlweni bese ngiba right. Kusho ukuthi if the crying does not work, wherever she's going, she's gonna put this thing emehlweni, guys, imkhalise. Umam V then says ukuthi yazi Mathuli, angikholelwa ukuthi uyaqhubeka ngalento. Ulokhuzana uThuli is like, hayibo ngiyaqhubeka ngakho Mam V, ngizokwenza njani? Usis Mavis is like, phela ayikho into ekuphoqayo to go there. uThulisile is like, hayi cha Mam V, cela nje unganginaki mina, ngizoba right. Lento ngiyenzela umngani nami, fanele ukuthi ngiyenze. She goes on to say ukuthi hayi ke anginishiyi nodwa, nginishiya nongabonwayo. Ningangikhumbuli kapho, angazi ukuthi if she wanted to say ukuthi ningangikhumbuli kakhulu, but anyway, as she's trying to speak, uWenzeni comes in. So uWenzeni comes in, she's like, Thulisile bengicela ukuthi ungisize ngo. And then she notices ukuthi uThulisile is all dressed up. She's like, ayibo, wenze njani? Waze wamuhle uyaphi vele? uThuli is like, thank you, ngiyemngcwabeni. uWenzeni is like, emngcwabeni ushone bani manje? uThuli is like, ushone umngani wami, yazi umngani wami ebesizwana ibhadi naye nje. I'm like, why is Thulisile lying? But obviously, guys, you know emsebenzini. If you're going to say ukuthi you're going to a funeral, like it's your friend's husband, it's like it's not necessary. But if you're gonna say it's your friend or someone that you're really close to, maybe they might feel sorry for you. So maybe that's why uThulisile felt the need to lie. So uWenzeni-ke, she's like, hawu Nkosi yami ngiyaxolisa, indaba ezibuhlungu kangaka, Thulisile, woza. She's like, woza, she gives her a hug. uThulisile aqala usuzikhalise. She's like, yazi Wenzeni, bengicela ukuhamba nje wewe aziphumele nje ngomnyango kanjalo. Next scene, one balance, guys, uSamke, she's busy there serving customers. Then kungene uVuma emnyango. She is not expecting uVuma. So Samke, she's looking surprised. She's like, Vuma. uVuma's like, kunjani Samke? uSamke's like, ngiyaphila. Khona ngingakutshonela khona mhlambi. uVuma's like, ngiyabonga. I won't be staying long. Bengifuna nje ukuthi ngizobonga for returning inkomo zami. Then uSamke is like, asikho isidingo sokuthi ungibonge, bengenza into efanele. I'm just like, you know one thing about Samke, guys? This plan of hers is working well, because remember ubhuti wakhe uNtombela didn't want to return the cows. And she said, ukuthi no, if I return the cows, uVuma's going to see ukuthi like I'm not after him for the money or any of his cows. So I think her plan is working well, because I mean, is it not uVuma standing here coming to say thank you? Shemu Samke, her plans are subtle. You don't see her moving like in yoga, guys. You don't see them moving, but listen, her plan is working. So uVuma then says, okay ke okunye ke bengifuna ukuthi bengifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngebusiness. Then uSamke is like, yeah, yazi bengithi ngizokhuluma nawe sengiqalile khona ke uqoqa kancane ngizophuma nje empilweni yakho. uVuma's like, bengingasho njalo mina. I'm just like, so you want her in your life? He's like, bengingasho njalo mina. And then uLokhuzana uSamke is like, pho uthini? Uvuma like yazi ubaba wami wangifundisa ukuthi never allow my emotions to influence my decisions. He goes on to say ukuthi ungaqhubeka uyisebenzise le ndawo however you'd like to use it. And then usamkeza uqinisile uvuma like yeah, even though our relationship ungalunganga, that doesn't mean ukuthi like I must be mean to you. Yo usamkeza ngiyabonga Vuma ngiyabonga azilahlele kuvuma. She tries and hug uvuma, and then uvuma just takes out his hand to say ukuthi the only thing I'm willing to do at this point is to give you a handshake. And then she's like oh okay, and then she handshakes him. Then she goes on saying ngiyabonga kakhulu uyindoda elungile. But you can see ukuthi hayi bo baba uvuma, his heart is softening up, and I do see him taking back usamke. Hi guys, next scene we see uNelly guys ume ngeenyawo. That time uNelly guys not uNelly uThulisile ume ngeenyawo guys. Angithi ubuya le emngcwabeni uThulisile ume ngeenyawo. Guys umdaka like her dress is dirty, it's full of brown dust or inhlabathi yasemngcwabeni. uNelly uyahleka noMamV bayahleka bahleli phansi. Kusho ukuthi le nto uThulisile abaxoxela yona is funny. So uThulisile is like yazini wonke umuntu ebengibuka yimina loyo edustini. Hayi ngiyarola ngiyakhala ngiyarola he bawethu abantu bengibuka laphayana hayibo. uNelly she's laughing one way. She's like weNelly akuhlekisi lalelani ke. Hayibo uthi ke le ntombazane kade ngimbuza uthi hayi umsebenzi wabo phela ukuthi bakhale vele mokushoniwe. Uthi bangama professional mourners. She says uthi bathi bangama profession mourners. Usis Mavis uMamV she says professional mourners. uThulisile athi yebo MamV. Ayibo uMamV is like shuthi banomona osezingeni. uThulisile is like ayike nami ke MamV bengizitshela ukuthi umona abakhuluma ngawo MamV. Ayibo bangichazela bathi phela ukumona kusho ukuthi uziline uyakhala kakhulu. Ayibo ufika omunye ubhuti ke usho she's still explaining the story. She's like kufika omunye ubhuti ke athi ke nobhuti ukuthi yena unginikeza u500 ngoba uzitshelani uzitshela ukuthi uyangikhokhela ngoba nami ngingomunye wabo. Usho ukuthi guys uThulisile bekakhala. They thought she's part of the professional mourners who are hired. Hayibo MamV athi hayibo izimanga emzansi. Ayibo uThulisile is like enzikhona ke MamV. Into engiyithande kakhulu ke when the funeral service was over lamantombazane abuya azakimi ke athi Mathuli ngathi mina yebo bodali. Athi Thuli ngathi mina khulumani phela. Athi lamantombazane ukuthi hayibo waze wayibaka sicela inamba yakho khona ke sizokufonela if someone dies ngesinye isikhathi sikhale sonke. uMamV then says ukuthi hayibo Thulisile usayobhuquza futhi. uThulisile zathi ngeke ngingabhuquzi MamV ngobani imali le. Guys uNelly she's just laughing one way. Usis Mavis is like awunolanga bandla. uNelly she's laughing one day. I'm just like guys listen, uThulisile she has found a side hustle emkhokhelayo, and it is to be a professional mourner. Ufike emngcwabeni uzikhalise mina ngibona ukuthi if ungazikhalisa ngalesi sikhathi kuthiwa mawukhishwe imali i-offering during umngcwaba ayi bazoyikhipha imali guys ukhale bazibhuqa phansi. People will take out the money bathi yazi isono. Anyway ke guys we see uKhuzwayo kwaMbalenhle. He comes in kwaMbalenhle and he's walking in with some boy. So he comes in is like how ubona ingathi akunamuntu. He's like Samke woza. So Samke kusho ukuthi usemuva. She's like uKhuzwayo ya uzongiblackmaila for ini manje ke. uKhuzwayo is like hayibo anti ke ngiphathele i-surprise. uSamke is like i-surprise. uKhuzwayo is like yazi ukuthi ngubani lona, pointing at the boy that he's working with. Then uSamke is like ya ngiyamazi. uKhuzwayo is like lalela ke umngani wami lona and sekavumile ukuthi uzoperforma la for i-New Year's Eve party la ekhaya namhlanje ebusuku. Usamkeza like New Year's Eve party ibenze njani? Ukhuzwayo then sesamke namhlanje kumele siyenze iphathi na kanjani. Usamkeza khuzwayo yimake musukungidida ushintsha lungaka so lukhamkephi like to say ukuthi this is unlike ukhuzwayo. Why is he helping him out of the blue? Kusho ukuthi lo mfana that ukhuzwayo brought uzoperforma lana, he's an artist or something like that. Ukhuzwayo goes on to say ukuthi angithi uyabona ukuthi sikhanda unyaka omusha manje wonke umuntu uyayideserve ithuba lesibili. Everyone deserves a second chance, a chance to start on a clean slate. Usamkeza like how she looks at lo mfana ohamba nokhuzwayo, she's like umenzeni ukhuzwayo wena? Then she's like anyway umuntu akalahlwa ke. She goes on to say hi khuzwayo, yazi buka le ndawo kodwa like uzoperforma kanjani endaweni enje? Ukhuzwayo is like ayisamke khuleka wena, abantu bala kule ndawo abanayo indawo abazoya kuyo bazoza lana ke namhlanje bagcwale, like trust me on this. Usamke is like okay, ngiyabonga imake, let's see what we can do now. She's starting to be excited because there's going to be customers. There haven't been customers or a lot of customers in a while. Ukhuzwayo is like nazo ke. He looks at this boy, he's like athi siyozama sound or indaba ye sound, and then he says to Usamke siyabuya manje ke. There kwadlamini ukwenza sitting on the couch. Usibongile, she's laying on his lap. Ayibo kumnandi as I said, without ulokhuzana, without uphetheni. Then ukwenza was like house tanda sam namanje awufuna ukuthi siyolala ekamere erumini lami. Noma if it's just once, even if it's just once kanye nje sibongile. Sibongile is like hayi Kwenzo, that's not a good idea. Ukwenza is like how kodwa sibongile like namanje awungithembi yini? Then usibongile zakwenzo, it's not that I don't trust you. Siyothini mesilingeka laphayana sizithola senza ucansi. Then ukwenza is like how sibongile angithi washo ukuthi wena you are not ready for that type of thing. So nami I respect your decision. Ngakutshela ukuthi ngizokulinda. And then usibongile zathi pho yini indaba ufuna ukuthi siye ekamereni? Ukwenza zathi ngoba ngifuna ukuthi sibonde. She's like hayi kanti lento siyenzayo manje sibonde yini? Ukwenza zathi akufani mfethu, akufani. Okay ufunani ke? Ufuna ukuthi ngiyoqala izibusiso kubaba wakho just for us to bond? Goes on to say ukuthi mina ngingakushada nakusasa lokhu okuzayo sibongile. Usibongile is like awukahle nami I would do the same kodwa ke we need to be patient because we still have dreams to fulfill. And then she kisses him there and then he's like yeah ish. And I appreciated that about Usibongile so much, you guys, because listen, maybe it's not even about Kwenzo. It's about that she doesn't trust herself in that situation. So listen girl, stick to that rule, stay out of the bedroom. Next thing wambalenhle guys, it's the New Year's Eve service guys. It's full guys. Untombela ngalana, he's dancing with some lady ukhuzwayo guys. He's drunk, he's checking up on people laphayana. So ukhuzwayo then he goes to ulokhuzana, he goes to Usamke. He's like how ungibonga ngani? Oda Samke ungibonga ngani? Usamke is like angazi wena ufunani? Ukhuzayo is like ungangiphani Samke, ungangiphani? Usamke is like angazi wena ufunani? You know that thing of like speaking to a drunk person, you can see Usamke is kind of bored, but anyway umsebenzi wakhe. Ukhuzayo is like how ijiki ubusuku bonke lona? And then Usamke is like khuzwayo ijiki liyabiza hayibo, like it's too expensive, alcohol is expensive. Ukhuzayo is like how Samke ibhodlela elilodwa kodwa. Usamke is like okay ibhodlela elilodwa kodwa ke uzolikhokhela, and uzolikhokhela by bringing back everyone who used to be a customer here that no longer comes here. Ukhuzayo is like how kanti ukhuluma nobani lana? Letha utshwala siphuzeni. Usamke is like okay ke. She agrees to that. She looks around guys and it looks like she is alive in a sense because the place is full. She's like buganje u-2025 uyathembisa nje ukuthi uzoza nobuhle nje kuphela. Then we also see aboKwayenzo, guys. They were out and about in a different location. uKwayenzo uSibongile uwenzeni, uVusi benogcina. Hey, uKwayenzo ne-dance floor laphayana, guys, is serious. They are enjoying themselves. And then we come back to the scene kwaMbalenhle. This time we can see uKhuzwayo, he is drunk, guys. He's drunk. Kusho ukuthi uSamke sorted him out ngempela. So uKhuzwayo, he's making his way to uSamke to speak to uSamke. So there's this other guy engathi uyozela, guys, engathi wants to sleep or something like that. uKhuzwayo is like, hi. Ngoba ntis ungavumi ngawo. Kusho ukuthi uyamtshela ukuthi ungavumi to allow alcohol ukuthi kulalise kuse-early kangaka singakakrosi. Anyway, uKhuzwayo goes to Samke. He's like, yazi Samke, ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. uSamke is like, yeah, Khuzwayo, khuluma. uKhuzwayo is like, bengicela ukuthi ungithembise nje ukuthi angeke uphatheke kabi. uSamke is like, ngiphathwa yini kabi? uKhuzwayo says, yimina otshene uPhetheni inkinga yakho. You can see ukuthi hayi, it's still not registering uSamke. uSamke is like, kwamtshela ini? Then uKhuzwayo says, imfihlo kaMbali, imfihlo yakho kaMbali. uSamke is like, yiphi imfihlo? And then she pauses a minute. Now it's sinking in ukuthi like what uKhuzwayo is telling her. She's like, Imi. uKhuzwayo is like, Samke uPhetheni wangithembisa imali eningi. She offered me imali ezange ngayiphatha nami nami ngavela ngamtshela kodwa angazi ukuthi wenzeni with that information. Angazi ukuthi lento ngamtshela yona wenzeni ngayo, wathini njani. Ngicela ukuthi ungixolele Samke, ngiyaxolisa, angifuni nje ukungena onyakeni omusha with secrets and all of that. As he's saying that, guys, Uvelepike, she's also in that mix. We just hear her counting down 10, 9, 8, counting down like that, guys. uKhuzwayo, he just leaves uSamke right there and there. He goes and joins the people counting down. They count down up until 1. They're like, Happy New Year. Guys, everyone is happy, but uSamke, she is left in shock. Everyone is angry. The only person in Atuzo faint, that's like her world is spinning, is uSamke, guys. She cannot believe what uKhuzwayo did to her. That's no Khuzana. uPhetheni is. Hey guys, anyway, we'll see what happens. Let's park it right here. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe, guys. It is absolutely for free of charge. Happy New Year, guys. Happy 2025. Please stay safe. And please keep in peace this year. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one.